Need a list of car rentals in Los Angeles? Yellow Pages has hundreds. Here's how to pull everyone into a spreadsheet in about a minute. This is Yellow Pages' top 30 car rentals in LA. Open Thunderbit, leave current page selected, and click Next. Skip pagination for a second. Hit Recommend Fields, and watch this. Thunderbit reads the list, then automatically opens the first listing's detail page to find more fields. Name, phone, address, years in business, website, plus hours of operation and business status pulled from inside each listing. All in one pass. Back to pagination. Click AI Auto Detect. Thunderbit finds the next button and sets up Click Pagination for you. 3 pages this time. Done. Next, run now. Every listing flows into one table. Hit Export. CSV, Excel, Sheets, Airtable, Notion, take your pick. That's the entire LA car rental directory, structured in under 2 minutes. Try Thunderbit free at thunderbit.com.